Hi, this is Pam and I'm with OCN Recipes. Today I'm here to show you quick and easy caprese 2 ways. One way is going to be a little bit more fancy, like if you're going to a party. The other way is going to be quick and easy at home, like you're not there to impress anybody. So we'll start with the hard one, which is going to be if you're taking it to a party. We all know it needs to look beautiful because we eat with our eyes first. What I do is, purchase obviously the ingredients, basil. I use grape tomatoes versus cherry. I like the size of grape tomatoes much better. And then your mozzarella balls. Now they come in pearls, they come in bigger sizes. I have the pearls here today because I just want to kind of rotate between the tomato, the cheese, and the basil. And then the basil, some leaves are massive, some leaves are small. Even the massive leaves, I leave out the stem because that doesn't look as pretty, but you can also fold that up and then just keep going with your alternating. Bamboo skewers, you need those as well. So just keep alternating with your ingredients. It can be shorter if you want, you can keep going longer. I'll push it down and make it a little bit shorter and then start plating. I like these bamboo because of how long they are, because of how sturdy they are. I'm going to make sure I'm doing the same system: tomato, cheese, basil. Oops, wait, got basil here. And you can also, like I said, rip this in half and put as much or as little of each item as you want. So yes, and the cherry I think are just too big, too much tomato versus mozzarella ratio, but everyone has their preferences. I'm just going to do a couple here on the stick just to kind of give you an idea of what this looks like. Now if you're taking this somewhere, wrap it like this, obviously fill the plate up, and saran wrap it and leave it in the fridge or put it in your car. Do not do the dressing yet because you don't want that to sit on the plate and kind of blend in, and it could get kind of mushy looking. So if you wait until the very end, when you get to your party or wherever your picnic, then you can drizzle on the olive oil and the balsamic, which are the 2 dressings for this type of salad. This I have here is a reduction, so it's actually quite beautiful. It's really pretty on the plate. It's thicker, but imagine if this sits, it's not going to look as pretty. That's why you want to wait. And then I highly recommend using a little bit of salt and pepper for taste. So I've got salt in here, so I'm just going to sprinkle a little of that. Just a little bit. Little cracked pepper. And then imagine this plate is full, but it's super pretty. It's beautiful. Now, if you're at home, you don't need all that. Dump this in the bowl. Your mozzarella, tomatoes, you could do whole or slices. You can mix it up. Some whole, some slices. I like to be a little outside the box, so do a couple different things. You could probably put this whole tub in there, but I'll just do a few. And then your basil. I kind of like to roll it up and then cut these like ribbons, these little chunks of basil. It's the same salad, but completely different appearance and preparation. Then we're gonna do the olive oil, balsamic, however much you think you need to make you happy. A little bit of salt, pepper. Looks good this way, but you're gonna have to mix it up, so it's gonna be little less pretty. But now you have quick and easy caprese 2 ways, or caprese as they say. But it's delicious. Enjoy!